Alright, let's roll. Come on. Oh, right off the bat. Bro, look how deep that is. Just from the side door. But that's nothing. Here we go. Out here in the winter storm. Although it's not a blizzard, so really not that bad. It just goes snow for a long time and the snow could get a lot deeper than it already is. But of course, doesn't matter how much snow I get, animals still could be hungry. So, see what we can do for them. Jeez. Oh gosh, how does snow already get inside here? Oh gosh, what happened? Trying to get all the snow out. Right back. Well, all you see when you look up is just a white void. Oh man. Missy. Oh, there goes Missy. Water. Oh, like gone. Oh. Here you go. Now, normally I give them treats too, but I'm kind of in a rush with, well, Snowstorm. Yeah, and I couldn't come out here sooner. Well, before the snow started. Because it started late at night. Like, I think it was supposed to start at 1. Or at 3 possibly it started. And it's still morning time, by the way. So I need to go and get water's frozen as well. Might have to come back to that because I don't want the chicken's water to freeze while I'm unfreezing these. Right. Oh, welcome back. What happened to you? Now I gotta go in all of that. Oh, Missy, do you mind going forward to make a path for me? No? Oh, yeah, she is. Thank you, Missy. Or no, you could go the... What is that? Hey, let's go, Missy, this way. Oh gosh. Bro, my feet disappear and it go to get even worse than that. I'm supposed to get like a foot of snow. This is already hard to walk in. And all you hiding back there. Like I said, this happened like overnight, so I was able to come out sooner. And as you can see, the tarp ripped because a big windstorm completely ripped the tarp. And yeah, so they didn't really have any other cover, but as you can see, oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh man. Get that snow and ice out. Nope, not gonna work. I need to go inside for that. Oh. Oh, chill, chickens. You don't parkour on each other just to avoid snow. Okay, so yeah, the food bowl is off the snow at least. Might need to give them a path to it. Here. Here. And I don't know how to fit that in there with them. If this doesn't work, then I'll just try to put the food bowl in there with them. But the chickens, they usually are fine in the cold. But of course, they're not used to this much snow. And there is a heat lamp in there. Normally they don't need it, but for weather like this, we want to make sure they're okay. See, hey, it's working. Come on, guys. I need to get them more some food. Okay, shake, shake, shake. There you go. Do you got that food okay? Anyways, let's do something about all this water. These are completely frozen. I don't know, man. Should use hot water to get rid of the ice. Aha! Oh gosh. We had to put a towel here. And my dad came back inside and he's literally slid. He was right here and he slid over here. That's scared him, but I tried to warn him. Anyways. Man, almost like freezing rain too. And I'm going now to measure the snow, because the snow is gonna get deeper than this. Like, this is not a foot yet, and it's supposed to get to a foot. So I'm gonna put this over here. Gosh, jeez. Yeah, I'll go over here. On which side? This side. It's right down here, so the window can see it. Oh my. Right now, it's at about 10 inches on the patio. It's almost to 12. Jeez. And there's no signs of this stopping in.